Welcome to Engine Insights, my YouTube channel. Today we reveal the top 3 Toyota Corolla motorhomes of 2026. Compact design. Top 1. Toyota Corolla Motorhome. The Corolla Cruiser Home is a revolutionary compact camper that blends comfort with practicality. Designed for those who love adventure, simplicity, and freedom. Built on the trusted 2026 Toyota Corolla platform, this motorhome is not only affordable but also ultra-efficient, making it a dream for urban explorers and digital nomads. From the outside, it appears to be a regular Corolla, sleek, modern, and discreet. But once you step inside, everything changes. Asterisk, the entire rear cabin has been professionally converted into a smart living space, equipped with a foldable double bed, sidewall storage units, and a pull-out mini kitchen. The bed folds into a seating area during the day, allowing space for relaxation or working on the go. Solar panels on the roof power the LED lights, USB charging ports, and a mini refrigerator, giving you complete off-grid capabilities. Asterisk, under the bed platform, there's room for luggage, camping, gear, and emergency essentials. The kitchen setup includes a compact gas stove, a collapsible sink, and a portable water tank with a manual tap system. Cooking simple meals on the road is now easier than ever, and you don't need to depend on expensive restaurants or gas stations for food. Asterisk, the front seats remain intact and fully functional, but they rotate to face the back, creating a mini lounge setup. Blackout curtains and thermal window covers provide privacy and insulation, making the motorhome suitable for both summer and winter adventures. Asterisk, one of the most impressive things about the Corolla Cruiser Home is its stealth capability. You can park it in cities, residential neighborhoods, or parking lots without attracting attention. This feature makes it perfect for digital nomads who want to work remotely from anywhere, or solo travelers who prefer a low-profile setup. Asterisk, in terms of fuel economy, the 2026 Corolla shines with its hybrid engine, giving you over 50 miles per gallon. This makes long-distance travel incredibly affordable, especially compared to traditional motorhomes or RVs that require massive fuel budgets. Maintenance costs are also minimal, thanks to Toyota's legendary reliability. Asterisk, safety features such as lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision alerts are all included, keeping your travel secure and stress-free. Driving the Corolla Cruiser Home feels just like any modern car, smooth, quiet, and comfortable. Asterisk, whether you're heading into the city for a weekend trip or taking a month-long cross-country journey, this motorhome can handle it all. It's compact enough to navigate tight streets, yet spacious enough inside to feel like a real home. Asterisk, if you're dreaming of a van life experience but don't want to deal with large vans or bulky RV, the Corolla Cruiser Home might be the perfect fit for you. Smart, sleek, and functional, it redefines what a small car can do. Asterisk, this motorhome proves that adventure doesn't have to come at a high price or large size. It's all about creativity, minimalism, and smart design. Asterisk, like this video if you're impressed with the Corolla Cruiser Home. Comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more unique vehicle reviews. The Rolling Mission brings you the best in mobile, living, innovation, and travel freedom. Top 2. The Nomadic Corolla Motorhome is a perfect fusion of practicality, mobility, and comfort, designed specifically for solo travelers and minimalists. This 2026 Toyota Corolla-based camper offers a unique living solution for those who crave freedom on the road without sacrificing everyday driving convenience. From the outside, it looks like a sleek, modern Corolla, maintaining its factory appearance to ensure complete stealth and city compatibility. Asterisk, step inside the Nomadic Corolla, and you're greeted by a surprisingly well-organized and compact living space. The rear seats have been removed and replaced with a modular bed system that folds into a sofa during the day. Underneath the bed lies a smart storage compartment, perfect for clothes, cooking gear, and other essentials. Everything inside has been customized to maximize functionality in a small footprint. Asterisk, the roof is fitted with ultra-thin solar panels that charge a lithium battery, powering the lighting USB ports, and a compact 12 volts refrigerator. The interior lighting is adjustable LED, offering a warm ambience at night. The side panel hosts a compact kitchen unit, which includes a 1-burner gas stove, a collapsible sink, and a 5-gallon water storage with manual pump, all neatly tucked away when not in use. Asterisk, the front passenger seat swivels to face the back, creating a functional workspace or dining setup with a detachable table mounted on the floor rail. Blackout curtains are installed on all windows for complete privacy and insulation. Thermal covers help regulate temperature during both hot and cold seasons. Asterisk, built on the 2026 Corolla hybrid model, the Nomadic Corolla Motorhome delivers outstanding fuel efficiency, averaging more than 50 miles per gallon, allowing for long travel without the constant worry of fuel expenses. It's ideal for people who want to live or travel on a budget, yet still enjoy the flexibility of a mobile lifestyle. Asterisk, what makes this motorhome stand out is its stealth factor. Unlike traditional RVs or large vans, this build blends seamlessly into urban environments. You can park in most places without raising any suspicion, making it a favorite among stealth campers and city-based nomads. Whether you're parked outside a co-working space, in a parking garage, or by the beach, you can rest, cook, and work from inside without anyone noticing. Asterisk safety hasn't been compromised either. The 2026 Corolla is equipped with Toyota's latest driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and emergency braking system. Even with the added interior build, driving remains smooth, responsive, and quiet. Just like a standard Corolla, asterisk inside the Nomadic Corolla, comfort is key. Soft cushions double as a mattress and backrest, and the wooden finishes provide a cozy feel. For entertainment, there's a tablet mount installed, allowing you to stream shows or attend virtual meetings, all while parked in a remote forest or downtown street. Asterisk thanks to the hybrid engine and compact size, the motorhome produces very low emissions, making it an eco-conscious option for environmentally aware travelers. Even in remote locations, the solar system and battery backup keep essential devices running. Asterisk whether you're taking a weekend road trip or living full-time on the road, the Nomadic Corolla offers everything you need in a stealthy, compact package. Its discreet design, affordable maintenance, and intelligent use of space make it a true contender in the small motorhome market. Asterisk if you're considering downsizing your life, exploring the world on wheels, or just want a compact camping solution, the Nomadic Corolla motorhome delivers. On all fronts, simplicity, efficiency, and reliability, this isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. Asterisk subscribe for more builds like this, and let us know in the comments, would you live in the Nomadic Corolla? Thanks for watching. This is the Rollin' Mission, bringing you the smartest ways to roll free. Top 3. The Urban Drift Pod is a futuristic take on compact mobile living, built on the 2026 Toyota Corolla platform. Designed for those who want to explore the world without giving up the ease of daily driving, this motorhome combines ultra-modern design, stealth features, and multifunctional living in a way that feels like science fiction brought to life. It's sleek, efficient, and built for the solo traveler or digital nomad who values flexibility and minimalism. Asterisk from the outside, the Urban Drift Pod maintains the Corolla's factory look with subtle modifications like matte paint, hidden ventilation, and solar panels. This helps it blend perfectly into any environment, city, suburb, or off-road camp. No one would ever guess there's a full camper setup hidden inside. Asterisk open the hatch, and the transformation is instant. The rear interior has been gutted and rebuilt into a high-efficiency living unit. The sleeping system features a memory foam trifold mattress that easily folds into a lounge seat, mounted to custom rails for quick conversion. Smart underbed storage holds clothes, gear, and even a compact electric heater for cold nights. Asterisk to the side, a carbon fiber-inspired kitchenette includes an induction cooktop, a collapsible silicone sink with electric pump, and a 7-gallon freshwater tank, powered by a 200-watt solar setup mounted on the roof, paired with a lithium battery system hidden under the floor. This setup gives you hours of off-grid cooking, lighting, and device charging. Asterisk the front passenger seat rotates and faces a retractable table perfect for working remotely, eating, or editing travel videos. Interior LED lighting is via a smart assistant, and the embedded speakers allow you to enjoy music, podcasts, or meditation sessions on the go. Asterisk the Urban Drift Pod features a full blackout curtain system with magnetic seals for privacy and insulation, overhead mesh nets and side pockets keep your essentials organized, and a roof vent with an integrated fan keeps air flowing even when the car is off. Asterisk driving the Urban Drift Pod feels just like driving a Corolla, light, smooth, and fuel efficient. The hybrid engine gives over 50 miles per gallon, and regenerative braking helps extend range on long trips. It's ideal for urban travel, highway driving, or pulling into nature reserves without needing a massive parking spot or hookup station. Asterisk safety features from the 2026 Corolla remain intact, including adaptive cruise, lane tracking, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree parking cameras. Even with the camper build, the weight distribution remains stable and road-friendly. Asterisk what makes the Urban Drift Pod special is how futuristic and intentional it feels. Every inch is thought out, from the magnetic kitchen drawers to the overhead LED light strip with night and day modes. The vibe inside is peaceful, clean, and efficient. Asterisk this is not just a car or a camper, it's a smart space, perfect for digital nomads, minimalist explorers, and city hop creatives. Whether you're chasing sunsets or signal bars, this motorhome is built to support your journey. Asterisk if you're into innovation, stealth camping, or the future of van life, the Urban Drift Pod is definitely one of the most exciting 2026 builds. Like, comment, and subscribe for more creative conversions and mobile living reviews. You're watching the Rolling Mission. Travel smart, live free.